This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
Many Audi owners focus on performance when they think about hidden settings, throttle response, acceleration, driving modes. But there is another setting inside many Audi vehicles that drivers rarely notice, and it can quietly increase fuel consumption without most owners realizing it. The surprising part? This feature is not broken. It's actually designed to improve comfort. Yet depending on how the car is driven, it can make the engine work harder than necessary. Over time, this can lead to higher fuel consumption and less efficient driving. To understand why this happens, we need to look at how modern Audi engines manage energy and power delivery. Audi vehicles constantly balance three priorities: performance, efficiency, and driving comfort. And the system that controls this balance is the Audi Drive Select system. Most drivers know that Drive Select allows them to choose between modes like comfort, auto, dynamic, and efficiency. But what many drivers don't realize is that some modes keep the engine operating in a less efficient range during everyday driving. For example, when the car is frequently used in dynamic mode, the system keeps the engine ready to deliver power immediately. Throttle response becomes sharper. The transmission holds gears longer, and the engine stays at slightly higher RPM levels. This makes the car feel more responsive and sporty, but it also increases fuel consumption. In normal city driving, the engine may be running at higher RPM than necessary. Over time, this can noticeably increase how much fuel the car uses. The opposite situation can also happen. Some drivers permanently leave the car in comfort mode without realizing how the system manages throttle and transmission behavior. In certain situations, this can cause the engine to work inefficiently under heavier load. And this is where understanding how these modes really behave becomes important, because sometimes a simple adjustment in driving mode can immediately improve both efficiency and responsiveness. But before changing anything, there is one detail Audi owners should understand. Because the car does not always stay in the mode you think it is using, and that hidden behavior can change how the engine uses fuel without the driver noticing. Let's take a closer look at that.
One of the most misunderstood driving modes in many Audi vehicles is auto mode. At first glance, auto mode seems simple. It automatically adjusts the car's behavior depending on how the driver is using the vehicle. If you drive calmly, the car behaves more like comfort mode. If you accelerate aggressively, the system begins acting more like dynamic mode. This flexibility makes auto mode very convenient for everyday driving. But it also introduces something many drivers don't realize. The system is constantly analyzing your driving style and changing the car's behavior in real time. Inside the engine control system, several parameters are continuously adjusted. For example, throttle sensitivity, transmission shift points, turbo boost response, and engine load management. When the system detects aggressive acceleration, it prepares the engine to deliver more immediate power. This means holding gears longer and allowing the engine to reach higher RPM. That improves responsiveness, but it also increases fuel consumption. The interesting part is that the system doesn't instantly switch back to efficiency-focused behavior. Instead, it often keeps the car in a slightly more performance-oriented configuration for a while. This means that even after the aggressive acceleration stops, the engine may continue operating in a less efficient range. Over time, frequent bursts of acceleration can cause the car to spend more time behaving like it's in dynamic mode. The driver may still see auto on the screen, but internally, the car may be prioritizing performance rather than efficiency. This is one reason some Audi owners report higher fuel consumption, even though they believe they are driving normally. Another factor involves gear selection behavior. When the system anticipates that the driver might accelerate again, it delays upshifting. Instead of shifting to the highest efficient gear, the transmission may hold a lower gear longer. This improves responsiveness. But the engine runs at higher RPM, which consumes more fuel. These small adjustments are not noticeable during everyday driving. The car still feels smooth and refined, but over thousands of miles they can quietly increase fuel usage. This doesn't mean auto mode is bad. It simply means the car is trying to balance comfort, efficiency, and performance. However, drivers who want maximum efficiency sometimes benefit from selecting efficiency mode manually during highway or long-distance driving. In that mode, the engine management system prioritizes fuel economy much more aggressively. The transmission shifts earlier, throttle response becomes softer, and the engine stays in a lower RPM range whenever possible. But there is another factor that many Audi owners overlook when trying to reduce fuel consumption. And surprisingly, it has nothing to do with driving modes at all. In fact, it's a feature that can remain active even when the driver never intended to use it. Let's look at that next.
There is another factor that many Audi owners overlook when trying to improve fuel efficiency. And surprisingly, it has nothing to do with driving modes. It's something that can remain active all the time without the driver thinking about it. That factor is unnecessary engine load caused by hidden background systems. Modern Audi vehicles include many features designed to improve comfort and driving experience. Climate control systems, electrical accessories, advanced infotainment, driver assistance technologies. All of these systems require energy, and that energy ultimately comes from the engine. The alternator must generate electricity while the engine is running. When electrical demand increases, the alternator places additional load on the engine. This means the engine has to work slightly harder to maintain the same speed. Individually, these loads are small, but when multiple systems are operating at the same time, they can quietly increase fuel consumption. For example, the automatic climate control system can be one of the largest contributors. When the air conditioning compressor is active, it places a mechanical load on the engine. If the cabin temperature is set very low during hot weather, the compressor may run almost constantly. This increases the energy required from the engine. Another example is heated seats and heated steering wheels during cold weather. These features draw additional electrical power. The alternator compensates by increasing engine load slightly. The driver rarely notices this, but over time it can affect fuel efficiency. Even systems like window defrosters and high-powered sound systems increase electrical demand. This doesn't mean these features should never be used. They are designed to make driving more comfortable and enjoyable, but understanding how they affect engine load can help drivers use them more efficiently. For example, adjusting the climate control temperature slightly higher in summer or slightly lower in winter can reduce compressor workload. Using heated features only when needed can also reduce electrical demand. Small changes like these can make a noticeable difference in fuel consumption over long periods of driving. But the most important lesson is that modern Audi vehicles constantly balance comfort, efficiency, and performance. Understanding how these systems interact allows drivers to get the best possible efficiency from their car. And often the difference between average fuel consumption and excellent efficiency comes from small adjustments rather than major mechanical changes. If you enjoy discovering hidden Audi features, driving tips, and performance secrets most owners never learn about, subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. It costs you nothing, but it helps the channel continue producing detailed videos about how these cars really work. Because when you understand the hidden systems behind your car, you can drive smarter, save fuel, and keep your Audi performing at its best for years. Understanding your Audi is the key to mastering its efficiency. Join us on the next journey.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter, spend less, unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.